2025 is about to end. Only 60 days left before we step into 2026. Can you believe it? लगता है जैसे कल ही जनवरी स्टार्ट हुआ था. And we were all like, this year I will change everything. But the reality is, you have already spent almost 300 days. Now think, इस साल तुमने क्या अचीव किया? कोई नई स्किल सीखी? कितने गोल्स अचीव किए? अपना बिजनेस ग्रो किया? वो मंथली इनकम का टारगेट अचीव किया? कमेंट राइट नाउ वन थिंग दैट एक्चुअली चेंज दिस ईयर. कुछ भी, even if it is small. If your answer is mostly no, then this video is not just another motivation talk. ये वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए एक वेकअप कॉल है, because these last 60 days will decide how you enter in 2026. Hi everyone, this is Ayush Tiwari, and today I am sharing 6 powerful things that I have been doing for the last few months, which completely changed my direction. If you apply even half of these, your entire next year will hit different. So before we get started, comment I choose growth if you are ready to upgrade before 2026 arrives. So the first thing is to beat procrastination and break old loops. Let's be real. Most of us spend the year stuck in the same old patterns, thinking we will start tomorrow or next week. Old loops always give the same results. If you want a different life, you need new habits, new actions, and new energy. Here is what you can do. Don't plan for the whole month. Don't overthink कि ये 60 days में क्या कर सकता हूँ. I know, अगर सही से execute किया तो you can literally change your life. But first, focus on building momentum. Start with today. Assign yourself 3 to 5 tasks. Execute them. Even if you do small progress every day, it will compound eventually. The key is consistency, not perfection. Stop thinking, I just have 60 days. I need to do everything. बस आज पे focus करो. Once you get going, momentum builds itself. And trust me, that's what will make 2026 totally different. Second one is change your mindset and environment. Your mindset shapes everything. जो लोग या situations तुमको नीचे खींच रहे हैं, उनसे distance बनाओ. Toxic friends, relationships that drain you, let them go. अगर कोई तुमको respect, growth और positive energy नहीं दे रहा, let them go with gratitude. Simple. Choose people who inspire you, who clap for you, who challenge you to become better. And yes, the most important thing is to spend isolated time with yourself. Reflect on your choices, your priorities and your goals. जब तुम focused time spend करते हो with yourself, you get a lot of clarity. The most important thing in 2025 is to learn how to use AI tools. This one is non-negotiable. I don't care what your background is. Student हो, freelancer हो, content creator हो, या business run कर रहे हो. AI is here to change the game. Even 30 to 60 minutes a day can save you time, make you more productive, और edge देगा over people जो अभी भी पुराने तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं. AI will help you automate tasks, create content faster, and optimize your work. Whatever your goal is, AI will make it easier and quicker for you. और best part ये है कि थोड़ा सा knowledge भी long term में difference create करता है. You might not become an expert in 60 days, but by starting now, you can create a habit that will pay off huge in 2026 and beyond. Next one is to work on your physical health. Don't ignore your body while working on skills, mindset, or projects. Physical activity is not just about looking good. It builds discipline, confidence, and mental strength. Even simple daily movements like gym, running, yoga, or home workouts releases energy, improves your focus, and make you feel unstoppable. Imagine stepping into 2026 not just mentally strong, but physically strong too. Remember, you can't maximize your 60 days without taking care of your energy levels and health. Next one is to prioritize your recovery. Once you start executing on mindset, AI, work and physical activity, it's easy to go overboard. तभी burnout hit करता है. इसलिए fix your sleep, nutrition and daily routine. Schedule breaks, avoid overloading yourself. Anything extreme doesn't last. Habits are foundation. अगर weak foundation है तो जितना भी काम करो सब collapse हो जाएगा. So focus on small consistent actions. Wake up at the same time, have short workouts and block time for focused work. साथ ही अपनी sleep prioritize करो और boundaries set करो. A consistent routine ensures that all the work you put in these 60 days compounds instead of draining you. Sixth and last is reflect and review your year honestly. Take a moment and really look back at 2025. What worked for you? What didn't? Where did you waste time? Where did you feel stuck or distracted? बस खुद से honest रहो. Honest reflection से ही clarity मिलती है और तुमको पता चलता है what worked and what didn't, so that you can make smarter moves for the future. That's why write it down, list your wins, even the small ones. फिर नोट करो जो चीजें काम नहीं की या आपको होल्ड कर रही थी. Once you see it clearly, it's easier to drop habits, people या patterns that didn't serve you and double down on those things that actually pushed you forward. ये क्लैरिटी इंश्योर करती है कि 2026 में आप सेम मिस्टेक्स रिपीट ना करो। अगर तुम इस वीडियो में यहाँ तक हो तो क्लियरली यू आर सीरियस अबाउट मेकिंग द लास्ट 2 months ऑफ 2025 काउंट। These 60 days are your last chance this year to change everything. अगर तुम इन 60 डेज में सीरियसली काम करोगे तो 2026 will not feel like a new start. So pick your habits, lock in your routines, focus on what actually matters, and stop wasting time on excuses. And remember, growth is a choice, so choose wisely. Like and subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. और हाँ, comment करना मत भूलना, I choose growth, so you can come back and see how far you have come. Start now, enter 2026 like someone who is already unstoppable. This is Ayush Tiwari signing off.